Love it like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
What's up, you guys? In this video I show you guys how I achieved this wash and go. But enough long talking, let's hop into this video. To get started, you want to wash your hair. I have my hair in my cap here, freshly washed with some leave-in conditioner in it. So we're just gonna go ahead and take that off. So as of right now, my hair is split into 6 sections and is detangled with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. So I'm just taking that down, showing you guys the sections here. Then I'm going to take the sections at the top, those top 4, and put them up, get them out the way so I can work in the back sections first. So throughout this whole process, the technique is the same. For the sake of this video, I just showed you guys one of the top portions just so that you can get a better view of me doing the method that I did for this wash and go. So first thing you want to do is get some moisturizer. This one I used a cream-based moisturizer. Just rubbed it in on my hands and then did the praying hand method and raked it into the hair. So as you can see, I just used some gel and I initially just focused that on the roots just to make sure that it lies flat, and then I work it into the rest of the hair. So you just want to ensure that both or all products that you do put in your hair is actually getting distributed all the way through. So that's what you can see me doing here. So basically you're just going to take small sections and grab the curls as they fall and just smooth your fingers down the length of the strand from the root to the tip. If you want, you can shingle, but for myself, yeah, overall I just smooth from the root to the tip just to get the product thoroughly and properly distributed throughout the strand. And then yeah, you just keep doing this throughout your whole head. For the sake of this video, I'm just showing you this section though. A lot of focus and precision in my eyes. I can see it. Heads up guys, this process does take a little bit of time, so just make sure you're not doing this in a rush. And also this process is definitely easier and probably the only way it can be done if your hair is thoroughly detangled. So just make sure you don't skip that step as well. So you just keep doing this same method to the rest of your hair, and then when you're finished, you're just going to make your hair air dry ideally. But if your hair is anything like mine, it's going to take way too long and you're going to be ready to go to sleep soon. So this is what we're going to do. Use some hair ties, split your hair into 4 sections, and basically do the rubber band method down the hair and have it so that it's not getting like smushed while you sleep. Instead, it's more so being stretched while you sleep. So yeah, go ahead and put those hair ties in and yeah, call it a night. So you'll see me here showing you a clip of how they look. You might look crazy, but call it a night. And then the next morning, take down the sections, and fair enough, just as if your hair is anything like mine, it is still wet. So what we're going to do is we're going to take small sections and we're going to dry the hair with a focused nozzle on the blow dryer. I like to use high airflow but low heat. So yeah, just do that until the hair is dry, and your ends should be dry so you don't have to put any heat or whatever on the end. So just focus it on the roots or wherever is still wet / damp. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Remember, if you like this video, to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Love it like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.